So I'm gonna make some noise. I wanna do a make some noise video with Gigi, but I have to be quiet when I make some noise because the team will come up and they overshadow everything. So I wanna challenge Naomi and Matt, Joni Avram at Cause and Effect, all the creative agencies in Toronto and Alberta. So you ready, Gigi? Let's make some noise to say we believe you and hashtag I believe you.